welcome to the Archetype of Mind with me, Sharon Dane. Today I will discuss with you the chant of Om. Om is a primordial sound of the universe. Universe is is nowhere, but it's within us. When you close your eyes, you can see the universe. It's like a vacuum, and when certain sound is passed through, every sound has got a vibration that produces a vibration, and when this vibrational sound traveled per second, it creates frequency. So Om as a mantra is considered as a primordial sound of the universe because any movement in the vacuum that creates a certain frequency and comes back to where it has been formed. So it is also considered as a very pure sound where you can cleanse up your body, soul, and the mind. It helped to transform. That is a reason why Om as a mantra called as a transcendental sound of the universe too. The reason why, because it helped us to transform our mind, our state of our mind and emotions and physical state to increase its vitality, immune system, and generate certain frictions of heat and temperature within our body to help and navigate its toxicity and curb that intoxicating elements and help to revitalize our immune system and bring that locus of control back to ourselves. It helps to co-create along with the universe, because Om is not just a mantra used in Hindu mythology. It is scientifically understood as when there is a stress formed in the body, when there is a certain depiction of imbalances that is faced within our emotions and our state of mind, we can bring that truth and that fact within, to understand what is the reality involved in it. In order to have that deeper knowledge and deeper understanding, it's very important to chant Om, especially to the cancer care patients, because they sense a lot of distress, a lot of depression and anxiety, and in order to have the very important to have their metabolism rates higher, their immune system higher, and to increase the taste in their tongue and also certain frictions of heat in their body. It's very important to chant Om, because while chanting Om, you not just forget about the state where you belong to, but it also opens a path for you to co-create a new self-understanding, self-actualization of the pain, the stress, and the elements of your life and the story of your life, and help to elevate your conscious self to create a new understanding of life, a new form of life, and co-create a new life, a new cell within your body system. So, very important to chant and not to let it go. More than you take the medication, if you chant Om for a smaller second of your daily routine life, it brings a lot of importance, because it not just only cleans up the toxicity, it also gives you the knowledge of what need to be done and how to be controlled, or what is important and what is not very important, how to bring the rage, the emotions, different shape and colors of the emotions like anger, hostility, rage, jealousy under control. And with that, you can lower down the distress level and increases a much more level of conscious understanding and peace and harmony within you. So do stay tuned with me for a new insights again on psychology, the deeper understanding of life and emotions, bringing to you through the archetype of mind. Until then, Shen Seng you. Sure.